here I want to throw him away. I would like to throw him away, like, just be relaxed a little bit, something like this. But if I just push this way, it's very difficult, because I'm using too much strength here, and already my arm bend is not good. So I have to first relax and then use spine, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, accept what is happening. I try to connect my bones with his bones. Then always the first technique is aikiage. Aikiage is this one. Sending the intention, and going from under, having the root, and always diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. I'm moving slow, and then I have this one. Here I'm connecting with the ground. This is going, apparently it's going up, but in fact I'm going here. And I'm opening my chest. Then of course you can do it like and here, and then whatever. There. And also it's possible to follow. Here. You control the neck, you go to the neck. And we have the same in Taiji, Qigong, for example, the crane walking. The crane walking is something like I sink my body in order to raise my hand. And I have this one. I sink in order to raise my hand. I don't do that. This is just from the shoulder. I have. Then I squeeze. And here the chest is hollow. It's very important. And of course this creates the opportunity to step. And from here we can go again. I can do that, and I can do that. Oh, and of course I can go back. I can go here. And in this kind of motion, when I go back, you can see this type of motion, which is from Tai Chi. We have it in Tai Chi. It's very important what is happening with the spine, what is happening with the back. And we can test it. That's really interesting. Test it with a partner, because it's very easy to do it alone, by yourself. The moment you have a partner to test it, it's something else. So from here, I was supposed to do that, which is difficult. But first, I have to root myself. I breathe in, and then I change. So I was trying to do that, and then having the rhythm, I did this one. And of course you can do the fajing one, or the hakke in Japanese, from here. Also like this. Control. Thank you very much.